Have you ever wondered how far Earth is from Mars? In this video, we will explore how to calculate the distance between these two celestial bodies using Python and the powerful Astropy package. Firstly, we import the necessary modules from Astropy. We need the time module to set the time for our distance calculation, and the getBody barycentric and skycoord classes from coordinates to obtain the barycentric coordinates and perform the calculations. We set the time for calculating the distance using time.now function, which gives us the current time. Next, we retrieve the barycentric coordinates of Earth and Mars, and the specified time using getBody barycentric. Barycentric is the center of mass of the solar system coordinates of a celestial body at a specific time. We pass in Earth and Mars as arguments to obtain the coordinates for these respective celestial bodies. To perform the distance calculation, we create skycoord objects for Earth and Mars, specifying the ICRS frame and Cartesian representation type. The x, y, and z, these arguments specify the Cartesian coordinates of Earth in the specified frame, which is a Cartesian representation object representing the barycentric coordinates of Earth, and the same for the Mars. The frame, this argument specifies the coordinate reference frame to use. In this case, ICRS is used, which stands for the International Celestial Reference System. The ICRS frame is a commonly used standard reference frame for celestial coordinates. Regarding representation type, this argument specifies the representation type of the coordinates. In this case, Cartesian is used to indicate that the input coordinates are in Cartesian representation. By providing Cartesian coordinates of Earth and Mars, x, y, and z, along with the frame ICRS and representation type Cartesian, the skycoord function creates a skycoord object that represents the position of Earth and Mars in the specified coordinate frame. Finally, we use the separation 3D method on the Earth skycoord object to calculate the distance between Earth and Mars. And there you have it. Distance between the Earth and Mars is 2.095 AU. AU stands for astronomical unit. 1 AU is equal to 150 million kilometers. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If yes, then please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, share the video, and leave your comment under the comment section. Until next time, happy analyzing.